Hello everyone and greetings from PayTabs technical support team. This video is dedicated to walk you and teach you more about our support portal and how you can use it to find a solution for any inquiry or issue you have while integrating with PayTabs. So let's get started. The first thing you need to learn more about is how you can actually find and reach to our support portal. Simply by finding or reaching the link support.paytabs.com, you will be finding our support portal simply and reaching to this page. Or by searching and writing the words PayTabs support, you will find our support portal in the search part over here and you can click on it to reach our support portal simply. So the next thing you want to learn more about is how you can actually use our support portal to start finding solutions for your issues or inquiries you are facing while integrating with PayTabs. So let's start by learning more about the parts of our support portal. So here you can find that the first part of our support portal is our search bar. You can use our search bar to find a solution or maybe something you want to integrate with by just clicking some keywords. So for example, you want to learn more about digital product mode, or you heard about digital product mode and you want to know what is it. So all what you need to right now is to come here and click digital product mode. Now you will see the results for your keyword and you can start by looking for what is digital product mode here, which will open the solution article for you, and this solution article will contain all the details you need regarding this point. So the next part of our support portal is our categories. PayTabs provide you with several categories that can cover all the areas you are looking for while integrating with PayTabs. Starting with the first category, which is the how to and the what is. If you ever have a question for yourself or you are facing an issue and asking yourself a question, how can I do something or what is something, like we would just did with the digital product mode, you can find it here inside the how to and the what is. So for example, you are looking about or you want to learn more about the responses you are receiving from PayTabs. So simply you can use the search bar over here and you can come to the what is over here category, and under the what is category you will find a solution article called what are the 5 ways of receiving responses from PayTabs, or what are the 5 ways of receiving transaction responses, and you will find a full detailed solution article that guide you through this part. Now the same thing go with the how to and the why. So the next part or the next category we would like to talk about, which is the getting started. If you ever in the place where you are just starting, you are just creating your PayTabs account, you are in the beginner levels. Now these categories should concern you, because in this category you will learn how you can create your account, how you can know your full setups. So for example, here we have a solution article called Going Live from Scratch, which will guide you through all your journey with PayTabs, starting from creating your account and finishing with going live and start making real payments. So for the next category we want to learn more about is actually one of the most important category, which is how to integrate with PayTabs. So if you are a new merchant and you are starting to integrate with PayTabs, this is the category you need to live in. So this category actually contain all our integration or most of our integration methods that you can start use immediately. For example, if you are using an e-commerce platform such as WordPress or Shopify, you will find our plugin for this WooCommerce platform under the part called e-commerce system plugins. The same thing goes for our backend integration packages, and the same thing goes for our mobile SDKs. And for each of this plugin or SDK or package, you will find a full folder that contain all the details regarding this plugin. As you can see here, we have a folder for the WooCommerce plugin, we have a folder for the Shopify plugin. If you are looking for a detail for this specific plugin, you can just navigate to the folder of this plugin and start looking in it. So now the next thing we want you to learn about is also about how to integrating with PayTabs, but the APIs edition. Now, the only difference here that this integration category is only related with APIs, as our APIs have or adopts 4 integration types. That means that you can use our APIs to integrate in 4 ways. We have a category for our APIs and our 4 integration types. So whenever you are having any question regarding APIs, how you can use a certain API, what are the endpoints, what are, for example, the parameters, you can use our category how to integrate with PayTabs API edition, and you will see a folder for each of our integration type, and you will also see two folders for our parameters, the request parameters and the response parameters. Now, the next thing we want you to learn more about, and one of the most important categories also, are the troubleshooting. The troubleshooting category is actually concerned with your issues or with the decline or error you are facing while making transactions. So whenever you are doing a transaction with PayTabs and you see that this transaction got declined or it has some sort of error, here you will find the explanation for this error. You will find a detailed solution articles for most of our declines or errors responses, and inside these solution articles you will find the reason for this decline or error, and you will also find the ways or how you can actually overcome this decline or error. Just navigate to this folder and you will find most of the decline messages inside here. So you don't actually need to navigate it one by one. Let's say, for example, you had a response inside your transaction that say 309 3CD secure authentication not available or something like that, and you can't actually find from the first step by navigating this category. Simply you can use our search bar over here and click 309 and you will start searching or finding the article for this error or this decline over here, and all what you need to do is navigate to it and learn more about it. These are the main or the things that could help you more inside your support portal and that will guide you to learn more, integrate with PayTabs, use our PayTabs to empower your integration journey. So just navigate to our support portal, learn more about it, see the different categories and navigate through it. You can actually find our community forums over here that will also teach you and learn you more about PayTabs over here and the updates in it. Just navigate to this support portal and start searching or navigating through the categories and you will find your solutions.